Market update for January 20th, 2026. In the fixed income space, system liquidity opened at a staggering 3.78 trillion naira, surging by 1.53 trillion naira compared to the previous session. This significant liquidity injection was driven primarily by OMO repayments hitting the system. Despite the massive surplus, money market rates remained stable. The open buyback and overnight rates held firm at 22.5% and 22.71%, respectively. The NTB secondary market turned cautious after the CBN announced a 600 billion naira OMO auction across 203 and 245-day tenors. Despite this, limited trades were seen on the 7th Jan NTB around 17.6%. The auction recorded strong demand with 2.91 trillion naira in subscriptions, of which 2.64 trillion was allotted, largely to the 2 for 5-day paper clearing at 19.39%, while the 203-day closed at 19.38%. Post-auction, the new 22nd September OMO traded around 19.4 bid and 19.3 offer, while the benchmark yield rose 6 basis points to 18.33%. The FGN bond secondary market started the session on a quiet note, initially showing a muted response to the January auction calendar despite the signal of a significant supply increase. As the day progressed, however, mild selling pressure surfaced, particularly across the midsection of the curve. This shift saw the May 2033 paper trading around the 17.95% level. By the close of trade, the weighted average benchmark yield edged up marginally by 1 basis point, settling at 16.73%. We expect a calm session as attention shifts to the NTB PMA, with 1.15 trillion naira on offer across standard tenors. Interbank rates should remain stable, as ample liquidity buffers are likely to offset the liquidity drain from the 2.34 trillion OMO settlement. On the currency front, the naira had a great day, strengthening in both the official and parallel markets, closing at 1,419 naira and 1,480 naira to the dollar, respectively. And in equities, the market bounced back. The all-share index gained 0.09%, adding nearly 11 billion naira to investor wealth, with 43 stocks gaining versus 23 declining. Stay tuned for what's next.